In this video, we're going to talk about something that affects almost everyone as they get older: weak or tired legs. You might have noticed that standing up from a chair takes more effort, climbing stairs leaves you short of breath, or your balance doesn't feel as steady as it once did. These changes can be discouraging, but they don't have to be permanent. What many people don't realize is that muscle loss, not just age, is often the real reason behind weaker legs. The good news? You can rebuild strength and stability naturally, starting right at your kitchen table. In this video, you'll discover 7 simple, everyday foods that help restore muscle strength, improve balance, and keep your legs strong and flexible, even well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Before we get started, I'd love to know, how old are you, and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. It's always wonderful to see people from all across the world coming together to stay strong, healthy, and independent. 1. Sweet potatoes. Many people think of them as just a side dish for the holidays, but in reality, they're one of the best everyday foods for older adults who want to keep their legs strong and steady. As we age, our muscles don't use or store energy as efficiently as they used to. That's why even simple things like walking up the stairs, doing light chores, or standing for long periods can feel more tiring than before. Sweet potatoes help fix that naturally. They're rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy instead of a short sugar rush. This means your muscles get a steady supply of fuel to keep you moving throughout the day without that sudden drop in energy. Sweet potatoes are also packed with potassium, a key mineral that helps prevent painful leg cramps and stiffness, something almost every senior experiences at one point or another. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a tight calf muscle, that's often a sign your body needs more potassium. Another hidden strength of sweet potatoes is their anti-inflammatory power. They contain beta-carotene and vitamin A, which protect your muscles and joints from the tiny bits of inflammation that can cause stiffness or soreness. Over time, this can help your legs feel more flexible and less achy, especially after walking or standing for long periods. And let's not forget the fiber. Sweet potatoes are gentle on your digestion and help your body absorb other nutrients more efficiently, which means your muscles get what they need to stay strong. You can enjoy them roasted, mashed, or baked. They're easy to prepare and taste great with just a bit of olive oil and seasoning. Try replacing regular potatoes with sweet potatoes a few times a week, and you'll likely start to notice that your legs feel less heavy, your balance improves, and your energy lasts longer through the day. 2. Oats. Simple, warm, and comforting, oats are one of the best foods for older adults who want lasting energy and stronger legs. If you often feel your legs getting tired halfway through the day, or if you notice that climbing stairs feels harder than it used to, oats can make a real difference. As we age, our body's ability to keep blood sugar stable starts to weaken. That's one reason why energy crashes become more common. You might feel fine one moment and sluggish the next. Oats are packed with slow-releasing carbohydrates, which means they deliver energy gradually instead of all at once. This steady fuel helps your muscles stay active longer and prevents that heavy, worn-out feeling that can make simple tasks exhausting. But oats don't just give energy, they also help rebuild muscle. Each serving provides plant-based protein that supports muscle repair, something your body needs more of as you get older. They also contain iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, and magnesium, which keeps them relaxed and free from cramps. If you've ever felt tightness or stiffness in your legs, magnesium is often the missing piece your body has been asking for. Another great thing about oats is that they're heart-friendly. They help improve circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles every time you move. Better circulation equals faster recovery and stronger, more flexible legs. Oats are incredibly easy to include in your routine. You can enjoy them warm in the morning with milk or water, mix them into smoothies, or even bake them into healthy snacks. 3. Avocados. They're soft, creamy, and easy to eat, but don't let their mild taste fool you. Inside, they're loaded with nutrients that help keep your legs flexible, cramp-free, and ready for movement. As we grow older, many people start to feel stiffness when getting out of bed or after sitting for a while. That's because our muscles and joints gradually lose their natural lubrication, and inflammation slowly builds up in the body. Avocados help calm that inflammation thanks to their healthy monounsaturated fats, the same heart-friendly fats found in olive oil. These fats protect your muscles and joints, keeping them supple so you can move comfortably and confidently. One of the biggest hidden benefits of avocados is their potassium content, even higher than bananas. Potassium helps your muscles contract properly and prevents those painful nighttime leg cramps that can wake you from sleep. It also keeps your body's fluid balance steady, which is essential for muscle recovery and flexibility. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports muscle repair and improves circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, reducing that heavy, tired feeling after walking or standing. Together, these nutrients make avocados one of the best natural ways to maintain smooth, comfortable movement as you age. And they're so easy to enjoy. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, add slices to a salad or sandwich, blend it into a smoothie, or simply eat it with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. The key is consistency, making avocados a part of your regular meals a few times a week. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't just tasty, they're among the best foods for protecting your muscles and keeping your legs strong and youthful. As we age, our bodies face something called oxidative stress, tiny bits. One more wonderful thing about berries is their vitamin C content. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. That means fewer aches and better balance over time. And as a bonus, those same antioxidants that protect your muscles also support your memory and focus, so they're as good for your brain as they are for your body. You can enjoy berries in all kinds of ways, sprinkled over oatmeal, mixed into yogurt, blended into smoothies, or just eaten by the handful as a snack. They're naturally sweet, refreshing, and light, making them perfect for any time of day. 5. Salmon. As we age, our body's ability to repair and maintain muscle slows down. That's why your legs might start to feel weaker or heavier after even light activity. Salmon helps your body fight that natural decline by giving it the protein and nutrients it needs to restore muscle and improve energy. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein, which your muscles use every day to rebuild and stay firm. Each bite gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair tiny muscle fibers that weaken over time. But what makes salmon truly special are its omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. When inflammation goes down, stiffness and soreness go with it, helping your legs move more freely and comfortably. Those same omega-3s also support healthy circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. That means better endurance, faster recovery, and less fatigue after walking, climbing stairs, or doing your daily chores. In addition, salmon contains vitamin B12 and vitamin D, both of which are vital for older adults. These nutrients help convert food into clean energy, protect your nerves, and improve coordination and balance, all crucial for staying steady on your feet. You don't need to eat salmon every day to see benefits. Just 2 or 3 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. It can be grilled, baked, or even enjoyed canned with olive oil and lemon for a quick meal. If you prefer a plant-based alternative, other fatty fish like sardines or mackerel work well too. 6. Eggs. You might already have them in your fridge, but few people realize how powerful they are for keeping your legs strong and your balance steady. As we get older, our muscles naturally start to shrink and weaken, a process called sarcopenia. It happens quietly, but over time, it can make walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up from a chair harder than before. Eggs help fight this process naturally by giving your body everything it needs to rebuild and maintain muscle. Each egg is packed with high-quality protein, which your muscles depend on to repair and grow stronger. Unlike many other foods, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, meaning they provide complete nutrition for your muscles. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that not only strengthens your bones but also improves muscle coordination and balance, both of which are vital as we age. Inside the yolk, you'll find choline, a nutrient that supports the connection between your brain, nerves, and muscles. This helps your movement stay sharp and controlled. Plus, eggs contain B vitamins and antioxidants that keep your muscle cells healthy and full of energy throughout the day. The best part? Eggs are incredibly versatile. You can have them scrambled, boiled, poached, or added to vegetables for a quick and nourishing meal. Even 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference over time. 7. Greek yogurt. Finally, let's talk about one of the most beneficial and easy-to-enjoy foods for older adults, Greek yogurt. Smooth, creamy, and packed with nutrition, it's a wonderful addition to your daily routine if you want to keep both your muscles and bones strong. As we age, it's not only muscle strength that starts to decline, our bones also lose density, making us more vulnerable to weakness and balance problems. Greek yogurt helps protect against both. It's loaded with high-quality protein, the same kind found in eggs and fish, which helps your muscles repair, rebuild. Think of your meals as your foundation for strength. Every bite is helping your muscles rebuild and your legs stay steady. Within a few weeks of consistent effort, you'll start to notice small but meaningful changes, a bit more energy, less stiffness, and more confidence with every step. That's your body thanking you for taking care of it. So now you know, strength doesn't disappear with age, it simply needs to be rebuilt with care. Your body is still listening to you, and it's never too late to make it stronger, one meal and one step at a time. The foods we talked about today, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, eggs, and Greek yogurt, are simple, affordable, and available in every grocery store across the country. But their impact is powerful. Each one gives your body what it needs to stay balanced, steady, and full of energy. If you start today, you'll be amazed at how your body begins to respond. Within a few weeks, you might notice that your legs don't feel as heavy, your balance improves, and you move with more confidence. It's not magic, it's just the result of giving your body what it truly needs. Remember, this isn't about perfection. You don't have to change everything overnight. Just make small, steady improvements. A better breakfast here, a walk around the block there, that's how real strength is built. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods do you already eat, and which one are you excited to try first? Share it in the comments below, your story might inspire someone else to start their journey too. Thank you for watching and for taking time to invest in your health. You're proof that it's never too late to stay strong, independent, and full of life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep moving forward. Every step you take is a victory.